Let us start with the topic thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Here we can start with the introduction part of thermodynamics. Okay. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a branch of physics. It is a branch of physics that deals with what is evident from this name thermodynamics. That is, it means thermo means heat and dynamics means motion. So, thermodynamics is a branch of physics which deals with thermal and dynamics. Thermal and dynamics or thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat. Thermo means heat and dynamics means motion. So, the relation between heat and motion is studied in thermodynamics. So, thermodynamics deals with the relationship between heat and motion. Motion means movement. So, this is the relation between heat energy and the motion. Heat energy and the motion. Heat energy and motion means movement. Okay. So, when we give heat to an engine, it moves. When we give heat to an engine, it moves, which works on the principles of thermodynamics. There are principles of thermodynamics. Similarly, when we eat something, it is converted to energy. Okay. When we eat something, when we eat food, it is converted to energy. This energy is used for the movement. Okay. Body takes this energy to move. So, thermodynamics is also related to our life. So, our body also work on the principles of thermodynamics. So, thermodynamics is not only important in physics, but also in chemistry and also in the human life. That is, human lives also works on the principles of thermodynamics. And the universe or the earth and the universe also working on the principles of thermodynamics that we evident from this simple example. So, thermodynamics principles are very, very important in our daily life. So, we have to start what is thermodynamics and what are some parameters that is involved in thermodynamics. Before we start, we need to understand some parameters which are system and surrounding. First, we have to understand what is system. What do you mean by system? System means a group of particles. System means a group of particles. Group of particles together called system, which are characterized by some parameters. Which are called thermodynamic parameters. So, system means a group of particles that are characterized by thermodynamic parameters. Okay, consider an example. Consider a gas which is enclosed in a cylinder. Here, this is a gas particles, and this is a cylinder. So, consider a gas which is enclosed in a cylinder. This is consisting a system. It is a type of system. So, there are different types of systems. One is closed system. One is closed. And the other one is open system. And the third one is isolated system. Okay. So, closed system, open system and isolated system. There are three different types of systems. If the particles are inside in a closed container, if the container is closed one, as the name indicates, it is closed. So the container, here we take a container. container or a cylinder. If the cylinder is closed, then it is a closed system. Okay. If the particles inside the container is closed, or the container, if the container is closed, there is no interaction between the particles towards the outside or towards the surroundings. So, such a system is called a closed system. No interaction. There is no interaction between the surroundings. Okay. If it is an open system means which is open to the surroundings. So there is some type of interaction. Some type of interaction is there in an open system. So this is an open system, and isolated system is a system in which the system and the surrounding is separated by a wall. Isolated system is the system in which the system and the surrounding is separated by a wall. Okay. The wall is of two types. It is an isothermal wall. And adiabatic wall. Isothermal and adiabatic wall. Isothermal walls means which allows the heat to pass. There is not allows or which do not allow the heat to pass. And adiabatic is insulating, isothermal is conducting wall. Okay. So these are the systems.